Side effect of congestion pricing is helping those who live in the zone get a better night of sleep. Data shows that there are less drivers honking car horns.
All right, Fox 5's Linda Schmidt joins us live from the Upper East Side with how people are reacting to this. All right, Linda.
Yeah, first of all, good evening to both of you. And, you know, we're talking about people laying on the horn. It's really just quintessential New York, right? It's part of what we all live with. But apparently in the past 2 months since congestion pricing started, the number of people calling the city's 311 system to complain about people honking their horns has apparently dropped. Some data show the numbers are down by about 70%. Go ahead, take a look at this here. The city Department of Environmental Protection is telling Fox 5 that 2 of its noise cameras located south of 60th Street, which is in the congestion pricing zone, did not issue a single summons between January 5th, the day congestion pricing started, and March 4th. Now take a look at this graphic. That is 0 summons in that time span for excessive horn honking. Now that is compared to 27 summons that were issued in the same time period last year. Well, earlier tonight, we asked a slew of people if they have noticed any change in the amount of people honking their horns.
As we sit in here and we literally look outside here, I would say that in the last couple of weeks, at least, that we've noticed that it's quieter.
I just moved here like back in the early fall, and I do remember thinking like the noise pollution is a lot.
And it seems better now.
I think so.
Data shows that there are less drivers honking car horns.
Traffic was down 9% in January. 1.2 million fewer vehicles entered the central business district, and that meant bus speeds and all speeds went way up, particularly express buses, people coming from areas where a lot of people drive. The cross streets which are the death zone for drivers in Manhattan, anybody knows that. Canal Street, 34th Street, 57th Street, speeds are up,